Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna review the Cursive.io. I recently had the chance to dive into Cursive.io and it was a fantastic journey. The tasks were straightforward and easy to follow, making the learning process smooth and enjoyable. Here you're gonna see an inquiry about your about your financial situation and how you can improve it with a AI powered plan to actually help you increase your financial growth, hence your financial freedom. I did notice that if the input doesn't make sense, the outcome can be a bit off. It's a good reminder that to always double check your inputs to get best results. Overall, Cursive proved to be a valuable learning tool with clear instructions and engaging content. It made the tasks both educational and enjoyable. And I look forward to using it more in the future. What I enjoy most about knowing about these other AI tools and giving examples or actually practicing, I do this Cursive on my cell, but then try it out on my laptop. I consider myself pretty creative in my field, and this has opened up some new possibilities to my creativity. I have seen with my own eyes how miracles this AI systems work. It's everything I needed because I work in a film industry and I'm using or leveraging AI to my advantage. A Cursive AI actually helping me. So I have I recently started using Cursive.io, and I can't recommend it enough. The platform is incredibly user friendly, right? And making it breeze to navigate and get started with the writing. The engaging prompts sparked my creativity and turned writing into a fun and enjoyable experience rather than a chore. So, let's know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.